Take a ride in the 2018 Cadillac CT6. Innovatively engineered and beautifully crafted, the CT6 combines advanced technology with breathtaking design. It is an entirely new, lightweight vehicle architecture for a superb driving experience that is agile, solid, and secure. And every journey delivers the utmost in comfort and convenience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.